time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tomball, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, Greater Greenspoint, Spring, Aldine, the Woodlands, Willowbrook, Hurricane Harbor, Splashtown, Hooks Airport, Hidden Valley, Northern Acres Home, Greater Inwood, and Northwestern Bush Intercontinental Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.